Sir, it's a pleasure to have you here with us. So, sir, please tell us about your journey with Bankers Club and your banker journey that you had, sir.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I joined the banking industry when it was one of the most sought after profession in India. So I joined Punjab National Bank, one of the premier institutions of that time in 1984. And since then, it has been a long journey. Bank has given me opportunity to work almost in all gamuts of banking, whether it was at corporate office, whether it was at the administrative offices at the field level, circle office, zonal office, as well as in the branches, जो कि हम बैंकर्स की कर्म भूमि मानी जाती है. So almost I worked pan India. मुझे बैंक ने पूरी अपॉर्चुनिटीज दी काम करने के लिए, एंड इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम ए बैंक असाइनमेंट. I was posted one of the premier branches of PNB in Delhi, जहाँ से ये कार्यक्रम शुरू हुआ, जर्नी शुरू हुई. बैंकिंग की फील्ड की बात करें तो प्राइमरीली जो दो बेसिक फंक्शंस जो बैंकिंग के माने जाते हैं राइट फ्रॉम डे वन के, टू एक्सेप्ट डिपॉजिट एंड लेंड इट फॉर टू द बोरोवर्स. तो ये दोनों फील्ड में आई गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी, स्पेशली लेंडिंग पार्ट में. राइट फ्रॉम द डे आई ज्वाइंड, I just keep on moving pan India from Delhi to UP, Western UP belt, then Punjab, Maharashtra, again Delhi. So 4-5 states I had been during my this banking journey. My main forte was, since I was from a commerce background, so debt funding, that was my forte, and that too of a large corporate size debt funding. Rather, I was lucky that I get all those type of cases, proposals before me to process. Then apart from this debt funding, I also got the opportunity to work on Forex. Then later on, when the NPA concept came into banking, we started learning how to deal with the bad loans. And it's not so easy. NPA में आपको कैसे हैंडल करना है कस्टमर्स को, कैसे रिकवरी फोर्थविथ करनी है विद द टफेस्ट ऑफ द बोरोवर्स, वो भी जो है ड्यूरिंग दिस जर्नी we learned. And I am not feeling it as self-praise that I was treated as one of the toughest recovery master of banking. Even if the customers or corporates used to say that they have a high links with the higher ups or with the political circle, even they were very much aware that if I have taken up their case, they are supposed to pay back the money which they have taken from the bank. And taking a realistic view, even if there has been a case that there was genuine reasons for a borrower to default, we had taken a call accordingly. And we had tried to take him out of that crisis situation, because the policies are like that with the bank. So NPA recovery, compromises, restructuring, all those fields I got the opportunity to work with. Then another opportunity which I got, which I think very rarely one can come across, is that I got the chance to work with my IT team. When complete computerization was going on, rather I should say, when the Finacle was introduced in banking industry by Infosys, ours was the premier first bank in nationalized sector to take a call and rolled over that solution in the banking. So that was the opportunity that made me more as a techno banker, because we came to understand the nitty-gritties of the technicalities of the software, how to customize the schemes, how to implement the bank's products into the technical platform. तो वो भी एक बड़ा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा. आई हैड बीन विद द कोर टीम एंड प्राइमरीली लुकिंग आफ्टर द क्रेडिट मॉड्यूल of Finacle, and I was instrumental in rather migrating 100% branches of our bank. So that was another milestone. Now, as my last assignment, I was at the corporate office, Dwarka, and I was heading a one division called PF and Pension Fund Department, who take care of the terminal benefits of my banking fraternity, my staff. So with these backgrounds, I superannuated from my career in July 2021. But what I feel is that a banker never retires. Even he attains the age of 60, he remains active throughout his life if his health permits. So what I feel is that if you are active, why not to make use of the best experience which you have gained your career to give it to your society. It should not go with you. So with that, I have just kept myself active. So whatever my forte was, I had been doing assignments and taking care of the whatever the society needs from me, and just trying to give a part of it to the society.
Sir, thank you so much for such beautiful and amazing insight. और सर मुझे बस थोड़ा सा आप एनलाइटन करने में हेल्प करिए कि आपकी जर्नी हमारे एज अ मेंबर, जब से आप हमारे साथ एसोसिएटेड हैं, कैसी रही है सर? तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा। थोड़े इनसाइट्स प्लीज सर।
Yes, sure. Although most of our bankers basically when they retire and they have the expertise and the experience of these key fields where people require their services, most of us are doing these things independently. But then recently I have been introduced to this community, Bankers Club community, this year only, somewhere in June. One of my seniors and my mentors, he approached me and introduced me to this banker community and invited me to join it. शुरू में initially whatever brief he had given me, it was not that much exhaustive or complete, so I was a bit reluctant. मैंने कहा यार ये एक नई चीज़ है, but I took some time to take a call on this. Almost 1-1.5 महीना मैं आराम से उसको स्टडी करता रहा इनके मॉडल्स को. I just keep on asking the questions, keep on getting the information कि यार मुझे ये बताओ आपका क्या सेटअप है, क्या सिस्टम है आपका, क्या टीम है आपका. तो आफ्टर से 1.5 months, then I said कि yes, this is something which probably is not there in our country, where you get a wider platform to work in as per your convenience and as per your terms. When I find that yes, I can associate myself with this community, this platform, then I said yes to you.
सर अगेन थैंक यू सो मच। अब सर थोड़ा सा, जैसे आप तो हमारे मेंबर हैं, तो सर हमारी एक मैंडेट जर्नी है जो हमारे बैंकर्स, जो हमारे मेंबर्स हैं सर, उन्हें हम गाइड करते हैं, उन्हें हम बताते हैं। तो सर आप अगर थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में गाइड करेंगे कि आप हमारे मेंबर हैं और आपकी सर अभी तक की मैंडेट जर्नी कैसी रही है, जस्ट टू हेल्प अदर बैंकर्स अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ अवर प्लेटफॉर्म इज इवॉल्विंग डे ऑन डे बेसिस।
Initially it was a bumpy ride. The concept was new, even this platform was new, and the processes and the mandates which were offered to me had their own challenges. एक चैलेंज आया मेरे को, एक मैंडेट आया जिस पर हमने काम किया, और जब उस कॉर्पोरेट से हमने कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन वी सॉट फॉर, देन वी फाउंड दैट ही वाज अ बिट रिलक्टेंट टू पार्ट विद सर्टेन इन्फॉर्मेशन. Then we got stuck up. So instead of insisting for that information again and again, I just wanted to take my assignment back, withdraw from that case without wasting much of my time, my community's time, and that corporate's time. So we didn't complete that assignment, not because of us, but because of the constraints that we were facing from the other side. But that was not the end of it. एक चीज बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री में भी हम करते थे कि यू नीड टू से यस और नो विद इन ए टाइम फ्रेम. डोंट जस्ट कीप ऑन लिंगरिंग ऑन द थिंग्स. नहीं करना तो नहीं करना, नहीं कर सकते, या आपका ये केस डुएबल नहीं है, ये आपको स्ट्रेट वे उसको हम बता देते हैं. यहाँ पर भी सेम चीज जो है वी हैव अडॉप्टेड कि अगर कॉर्पोरेट से हमने डिस्कशन किया इनिशियली, जो कि पूरी की पूरी वर्किंग इनकी रहती है, सिस्टमेटिक रहती है बैंकर्स टीम की. देयर इज ए टीम, वेल डिफाइंड टीम. वो पूरा इनिशियल असेसमेंट करते हैं बिफोर टेकिंग ए कॉल ऑन एनी असाइनमेंट. The system is very good. Team is quite robust. They have their wherewithal and the expertise. And once they take a call, yes, this case is doable at our end, only then they involve a banker. So initially, जो bankers team की due diligence रहती है for a case, whether it is doable or not, they do their homework quite diligently. And this is my experience कि अगर उन्होंने किसी केस को, किसी बैंकर को रेफर किया है, तो प्राइमरीली वो डुएबल रहता ही है, बेयरिंग के सब्सिक्वेंटली कुछ ऐसा सिनेरियो सामने आ जाए जिसकी वजह से वो केस ना हो पाए. बट अदरवाइज most of the cases, although I don't have a very vast experience, frankly speaking, it is just the beginning. Only 2-3 mandates I have came across, but yes, they are a system. They are working in a very systematic way and in a very professional way. That's another thing which I must add on, because that was another reason why I just say yes to them, was I found that the team is well versed with their job. They are working in a professional way. So this is how the mandate come to us. And another important point is that if we see that we are comfortable in doing that mandate, only then we can raise our hand, yes, I will do it. And that too as per my choice, whether I am comfortable in doing that assignment in virtual mode, because nowadays technology is there. You no need to travel to the place where your client or your corporate is. So that going physically to the place of the corporate or interacting with him virtually, both the options are there in this platform. That is another good thing which probably makes a banker comfortable, because many a times he is not comfortable traveling. So this is how it works.
थैंक यू सर। तो सर हमारा एक बहुत जनरल क्वेश्चन आता है जो हमारे बैंकर्स पूछते हैं कि सर अगर वो अलग अलग सेगमेंट से हैं तो सेगमेंट्स में सर हमारा एनपीए हो गया, एनसीएलटी हो गया, टेक हो गया, फॉरेक्स हो गया, तो सर अगर वो हमारे साथ हमारे मेंबर बनते हैं या एसोसिएट होते हैं तो सर उनका क्या कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा टुवर्ड्स ये प्लेटफॉर्म, वो कैसे कैसे काम कर सकते हैं सर हमारे साथ?
देखिए, when I was studying this concept, then I came to know that it's not confined basically to debt funding, which probably is the main function of a banker. And if I'm not wrong, most of the bankers, they are comfortable in debt funding. But in this Bankers Club platform, they are not catering to only debt funding. They have a list of services probably which they offer to the corporate community. Say for example, apart from debt funding, they have the wherewithal to meet the requirement of their equity funding. If some corporate wants to raise his equity capital, that service is available on this platform. Then there is a forex segment. If somebody is into the import or export or foreign trade, that services are also available through bankers on this platform. Then this platform provides the services of NPA resolution. अकाउंट खराब हो गया, अब उसमें क्या करना है मुझे, वेदर आई नीड रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग या मुझे कुछ उसको कंप्रोमाइज में लेके जाना है या एडिशनल फंडिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट है, वट एवर. तो दिस प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड्स दैट सर्विस टू द कॉर्पोरेट आल्सो. स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट है आपका. और एक और चीज जो बड़ी यूनिक आई फाउंड ऑन दिस बैंकर्स क्लब प्लेटफॉर्म इज दैट दे हैव द wherewithal टू प्रिपेयर योर फाइनेंशियल वेलनेस रिपोर्ट which tells you where you stand today for a corporate and how to come out of that phase to achieve whatever the target or the goal a corporate is looking for. That report helps them. And this platform has the solution for that they provide that report, which normally I didn't find. There are n number of other service providers in this line. So that financial analysis, financial wellness report, that is another thing which probably is of great help for a corporate to grow. Then technical side, if I say, there are many bankers probably who had the experience of working in a technical side. I can tell them, yes, there is a scope for them also in this platform, because many corporates I have seen, they are searching for a solution, a technical solution, which they require, whether it is for their client base or their internal financial management or other aspects complete. So there also they are looking for some technical experts who have basically the experience. So there, those my technocrat friends who have that experience, they can take a call, they can contribute, they can get the assignments of that nature. So I think the scope is very wide. जब मैंने भी उसको स्टडी किया था तो मैंने कहा यार मेरा तो पहले बैंकिंग में सिर्फ ठीक है, फाइनेंसिंग हम लोन्स वगैरह करते हैं, बट देन आई रिकलेक्टेड कि ये सारी चीज़ें भी यहाँ पर है जो कि कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने कैरियर में हमने की हैं. एनपीए रेजोल्यूशन हमने किया है, तो वो भी अगर मेरी एक्सपर्टीज़ है तो मैं उस पर भी कॉल ले सकता हूँ. मेरे को यहाँ पर वो अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मेरे को मिल रही है टू एंगेज माई सेल्फ. सो दिस प्लेटफॉर्म डजंट कन्फाइन ए बैंकर टू ए पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट कि मुझे इसी सेगमेंट का अगर मैं हूँ तो मेरे को मिलेगा, अदरवाइज तो मेरा कोई स्कोप नहीं है. So that way I just find this platform very useful, very wide, very robust, and basically it depends on individual to individual whether he is finding the food of his taste from this platform or not.
Sir, after this insight, हमारे सर बैंकर्स को जानने में इंटरेस्ट आएगा कि सर हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म उनको किस टाइप का अर्निंग पोटेंशियल दे रहा है, सर कैसे वो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से अर्न कर सकते हैं.
You see, मैं तो बेसिकली दो एस्पेक्ट एडवाइस करूंगा अपने बैंकर्स को टू टेक ए कॉल. सबसे पहला, वेदर दे वांट दैट व्हाटएवर एक्सपर्टीज दे हैव गेन्ड ड्यूरिंग देयर बैंकिंग सर्विस, 30 साल 35 साल 40 साल की जो आपकी एक्सपर्टीज है, वेदर यू वांट टू शेयर इट विद द सोसाइटी, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर गिविंग इट नॉट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सेकेंड थिंग, while doing this thing, if you are getting something which probably add on to your financials, I think there is no harm in it. You see, now what cost they are asking for, rather what's basically the requirement for onboarding this platform is as low as 25,000 rupees in a year. एक 25,000 की मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैंने एक इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी है with the objective कि I'll do two things. I'll share my experience and my expertise, and in return, if I am getting something more than what I have invested, probably with the surety, yes, I'll get it within that period of 1 year. Because इसमें what they have spelled out is that you will get 4 mandates in an year. 4 केसेस आपको मिलने ये देंगे, दिस इज assured by them, और मिलने ही मिलने हैं, और वो 4 केसेस जो कि आप करोगे, इसको कंप्लीट करोगे, ठीक है। और सबसे जो अच्छी चीज यहाँ पर है कि यहाँ पर जो स्टार्टिंग जो टिकट साइज मैंने देखा जो कॉर्पोरेट्स को ये मोबिलाइज कर रहे हैं, इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम छोटे से छोटा भी अगर मैं साइज अगर मैं लूँ तो मेरे ख्याल से 2 या 3 करोड़ से कम का कोई केस नहीं है, और इसके ऊपर 50 करोड़ का भी आ रहा है केस, 20 का भी आ रहा है, 100 करोड़ का भी आ रहा है, इवन 500 करोड़ का भी है सीन द मैंडेट्स बीइंग डिस्प्लेड ऑन देयर पोर्टल। तो अगर एक एवरेज साइज भी अगर मैं लूँ, मेरे को सपोज अगर मुझे एक 5 करोड़ का कोई एक केस मिल गया, और जो इंडस्ट्री के जो स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं कि what normally fees one charges for a case of this size, I think the return is quite reasonable and rewarding. कोई बड़ा केस आ गया, सपोज यू सी 25 करोड़ का, 20 करोड़ का कोई केस आ गया, 50 करोड़ का आ गया, which is within your range of doability, so you can very well imagine the return which you will get. और it is all written, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है verbal है. This is, I am sharing my experience that whatever mandate they enter into with the corporate, it is in black and white, where it is, everything is spelled out. What is the scope of work? What is the term of doing that assignment? How much payout he will be paying to the bankers club? And out of that, a written mandate is also executed between bankers club and the banker, where again this is very clearly spelled out that this will be the my scope of work, and this is how much I am going to get out of that payout which the corporate is paying, and obviously it will be on sharing basis. But जो मैंने देखा कि majority, because there are 2 models यहाँ पर भी, rather 3 models I should say. एक जहाँ पर कि वो assignment को I can handle it independently, मुझे किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, I can do it of my own. Obviously there the majority share comes to the banker, but there are scenarios, there are cases where I feel that yes, I need the support of bankers club team. That means I want that team should also involve in that particular assignment, and they should also contribute in closing that particular mandate. So there also that support comes to me as a banker, and accordingly the payout sharing is decided, which is quite justified and reasonable, I should say, logically. And even if I suppose working on a mandate, say for example, it's a mandate of debt funding as well as equity funding. Now I don't have my forte for equity raising. There this bankers club team comes to your support and do that part of equity funding, and that part you take care of and just then close the case. So my friends, my request is, my submission is that by and large कि अगर हम 4 केस मान के भी चले, मैं कह रहा हूँ 4 केस तो ये करेंगे ही, बाकी इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन मी कि मैं उसको कितने टाइम फ्रेम में उसको एग्जीक्यूट करता हूँ। 3 महीने में करता हूँ, 4 महीने में करता हूँ, 2 महीने में ही करता हूँ, या 4 में से मेरे से 2 ही हो गए केस, इवन देन आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी ए लूजर। सो इस चीज पे आपने कॉल जरूर लेनी है कि ये सारा जो चीजें हैं, हालांकि हो सकता है कि आपके अपना भी एक पूरा एक सर्कल हो, एक आपका पूरे लिंक्स हो जहां पर कि आप ऑलरेडी इंडिपेंडेंटली काम कर रहे हो। मैं भी कर रहा था, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं एक लिमिटिंग फैक्टर आ जाता है कि मेरा जो सर्कल है उसमें मेरे को किस टाइप के केसेस मेरे पास आएंगे या आए हैं। यहाँ पर आपके पास एक बड़ा वाइड प्लेटफॉर्म आता है जहां पर के डेली मैं देखता हूँ कि मैंडेट्स जो हैं वो शोकेस होते रहते हैं। कुछ हाई प्रायोरिटी के होते हैं जिसमें कि इमीडिएटली कॉल लेनी है कॉर्पोरेट को, उसको हेल्प करनी है। तो वो आपका जो स्कोप ऑफ वर्क है, अगर इफ यू आर इनटू दिस एक्टिविटी, आप कंसल्टेंसी कर रहे हैं आप, तो वहां पर आपको एक वाइड जो है एक स्कोप मिलता है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है जहां पर कि एन नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर देयर बिफोर यू टू डिसाइड। तो उसको डिसाइड करने के बाद में जो है ना, डेफिनेटली आपको अपने टेस्ट का कुछ ना कुछ मिलता है जो कि आप कर सकते हो। पर इवन इफ यू डोंट फील इट कि यार उन कुछ नहीं बात बनी, तो आफ्टर नेक्स्ट ईयर यू कैन टेक ए कॉल
जिसकी मेरे को लगता है, एटलीस्ट मैं तो शायद उम्मीद नहीं करता कि मेरे को ऐसा कुछ करना पड़ेगा। हालांकि एक और भी मॉडल इसमें ये 40,000 में 8 मैंडेट्स भी करते हैं, बट आई बेसिकली डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट विद स्मॉल स्टार्ट। तो ये मैंने शुरू किया है और आई थिंक आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू समथिंग गुड, जो कि मैं प्रैक्टिकली आप लोगों से जब मैंने विल गेट समथिंग, ऑल्दो मैं मैंडेट्स मेरे कुछ चल रहे हैं, दे आर इन प्रोसेस, तो वो भी मेरे जो भी हैं थ्रू माय सर्कल्स you will come to know कि yes, not only me, my other bankers also who have joined this community, they have gained out of it. Really a good concept which the founders of this bankers club have come out. So rest it is basically your call. I just leave it to you. You put n number of queries to the team, get your answers, get your doubts cleared, discuss it with your other friends, and then you take a call. All the very best. Thank you.